friends, today I'll be showing how to make authentic Iyengar sambar powder. For that you need coriander seeds. So coriander seeds measuring 2.5 cup in this measuring cup, and 30 red chilies whole and 30 Karnataka Byadagi chilies, 1 fist of curry leaves and half cup of jeera, which is measured in this measuring cup. Half cup you can see here. This is the half cup measurement. And we have used 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds. This is the tablespoon measurement. And 2 tablespoons of methi seeds and 2 tablespoons of pepper. To start to dry fry pepper, methi seeds and mustard all together. After about a minute, add jeera to the same mixture. You get a beautiful aroma when you are frying, so that is when it is considered as it is the frying is done. So you can either fry it separately or you can mix methi, jeera and pepper together and fry it. So the color of this mixture is slightly changing. We are almost done with frying. Now it's time to fry dhania, which is coriander seeds. I'm getting a very nice aroma of coriander seeds fried. I think it's time to remove the coriander seeds. Coriander seeds frying is done. Now it's time for chilies. So you need to add 1 teaspoon of oil, and okay, she's taking the curry leaves first. So for this we have added 1 teaspoon oil and frying the curry leaves. Even curry leaves, it's the same thing until the raw smell of the curry leaves go away. Just keep frying it, and I think it's time that the curry leaves frying is also done. Yeah. Again, fry all the red chilies by putting 1 teaspoon of oil. In case you don't have this measuring cup, you can use, we basically have used this steel glass. So the tablespoon measurements are the same, but you can use 2 cups of the dhania, which is coriander seeds, and half cup of jeera out of this glass, in case you don't have the measuring cup. You can see all the ingredients are fried here, and once it cools down, we can prepare a powder out of it, and the sambar powder is ready. While grinding the sambar powder, add 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Here you go, you can see nice aromatic Iyengar sambar powder ready. Thank you for watching, friends.